What's the matter, baby? Huh? Well, what's the matter? Well, what's that? You got the corona or something?
All right, we're out here at the stop sign.
What's the matter, baby? Sit. You gonna tell me about it? You better talk. What's the matter? Hmm? Your nose is all wet.
All right, we're out here at the stop sign, and the kids are getting off of football practice. School hasn't officially started yet, but I think I got out here too late. Most of them have already burned rubber through here. So anyway, if these are your kids out here, I wonder how you'd like it if I came to your neighborhood and did this. Anyway, I noticed that the school corporation has spent a whole bunch of money putting stop sign cameras on their buses, and I'm not opposed to that. People ought to stop at a bus stop arm. But what I am opposed to is the fact that we don't enforce people stopping at four-way stops and almost causing wrecks. In fact, I've almost gotten run over here before, and that is what I don't like. If it's good enough to stop a stop arm, it's good enough to stop at a four-way stop. Or as this new generation is called, this is a all-way stop. So anyway, you guys have heard me rant and rave about this before, and so I just thought I'd come out here and get some cameras, get some footage. Anyway, you know, you got to have a mask on, so I think you ought to stop at the four-way stop, personally. That one didn't even slow down. Neither did that one. Is that your kid driving that brand new car? And he was on his cell phone too. That's also illegal. You know, everybody wants to get all fired up about wearing a mask. Why don't we get all fired up about staying off your cell phones and being safe, like stopping at stop signs? Well, it looks like I got out here a little bit too late to really get everybody. Well, school starts in 2 days, so I hope somebody gets a handle on this, because it's dangerous out here.
Reflections of my life that are now gone. Things that I thought senseless then are now reality. How I wish that I could change some things I know. Now my hair is growing sparsely and my age is showing through. Is it cause of all my youth that was misspent? I see the happy faces and it makes me feel more.
Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure and share this video hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. So we do all kinds of things here on this channel. Anyway, hope you all have a great day.
6 a.m. rolls around. You know I'd like to stay in my dreams of a yesterday not long ago. Well, the things that I cherished way back then are gone.
Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.